In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome sync error post. You might be getting this error message either because your password has changed and your current device with this error has been logged out, or Google can't sync with your Chrome browser. Now come to the top of your screen where you see the post error. Click on this and you're going to see sync is post, telling you what you need to do to synchronize again, which is signing into your Google account again. You can click on sign in to start the sign in process. Now if you do not find the post error, you can click on the three dots at the top right of your screen, and where you see your profile name, you will see not signed in, and you can sign in again. Or you can scroll to the bottom and click on settings. You can fix your sync error here. Go ahead and click on sign in again and follow through with the sign in process, and the sync error should go away. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to fix Google Chrome sync post error, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.